Welcome back. Now, the most likely use case when you're using Canva is to already have an idea of what it is that you are going to want. Assuming that you might want something like a YouTube thumbnail in order to create in Canva, what you would do is you would go to this area, you would then type in YouTube, you would then type in thumbnail. What you'll see here is that there are search results that you can place into the search area. You do have the specific search called YouTube thumbnail. We can click that link. Canva is then going to open up into different templates that we have available to us that we can use as YouTube thumbnails. When you open up this area, you're going to notice that you have filters on the left side menu. When you're using the free version, one thing you definitely want to do is you want to click this area that says free. And the only templates that are going to be available are going to be the ones that are going to be free. You can also self-select by the basic color that you want, and you're going to see some default colors here inside of Canva. But what you can also do is you can click this button as long as you know the 6-digit code. You can write that 6-digit code in, apply it in order to find the right color. So what you can do in this case is you can select only those templates that are going to have a specific color in them, and you're going to click that button in order to select those templates. You are going to see two other templates here for YouTube thumbnail. For example, if we want a modern style, we can select for the modern style. We can then have a YouTube theme. And basically what we've done now is we have limited the available templates for us to choose from to those that we want based on the parameters that we have set. If we want to change the parameters, what we can do is we can clear all the filters and we can start the process again. And what you'll notice here is that you have a high number of templates because you have no filters. Okay? So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.